Good afternoon. Welcome to Green Valley Hotel. How may I help you today?
Good afternoon. I would like to check in, please.
Of course. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Michael Anderson.
Thank you, Mr. Anderson. Please allow me a moment to check your reservation.
Sure, take your time.
All right, I can see your booking here. You have reserved a standard room for 4 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Wonderful. Welcome to Green Valley Hotel, Mr. Anderson.
Thank you.
May I please see your passport or ID card?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you very much. Let me quickly check your details.
Okay.
Everything looks perfect. Could you please confirm your phone number?
Yes, it is 912-345-6789.
Thank you. And may I confirm your email address as well?
Yes, it is michael.anderson@email.com.
Great. Thank you for confirming. Mr. Anderson, is this your first time staying with us?
Yes, this is my first visit.
That's lovely to hear. We hope you have a comfortable and relaxing stay.
Thank you. The hotel looks very nice.
Thank you so much. We try our best to make our guests feel at home. You have booked a standard room with a garden view.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it's very peaceful. Your room includes a comfortable bed, a work desk, a chair, and a flat-screen television.
Is there air conditioning in the room?
Yes, all our rooms have air conditioning.
Great, that's important for me.
Of course. There's also free Wi-Fi in your room. Mr. Anderson, could you please fill out this registration form?
Sure. What information do I need to write?
Just your name, address, phone number, and signature.
All right, let me do that.
Take your time.
Okay, I'm done.
Thank you very much. Your check-in process is now complete. Here is your key card.
Thank you.
Your room number is 312. It's on the 3rd floor.
Room 312. Got it.
The elevator is on your left side.
Okay.
Please keep your key card safe.
Can you tell me about breakfast?
Certainly. Breakfast is served in the restaurant on the ground floor.
What time does breakfast start?
Breakfast starts at 7 a.m. and ends at 10 a.m.
Is breakfast included in my stay?
Yes, breakfast is included.
That's great.
You can enjoy tea, coffee, fruits, bread, eggs, and local dishes. Mr. Anderson, would you like to know about our hotel facilities?
Yes, please.
We have a swimming pool on the rooftop.
That sounds amazing.
The pool is open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Nice.
We also have a gym, a spa, and a small business center.
That's very convenient.
Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes, I have 2 suitcases.
No problem. I will ask our bellboy to help you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Mr. Anderson, may I inform you about some hotel rules?
Yes, of course.
Please do not smoke inside the room.
That's fine.
Quiet hours start at 10 p.m.
I understand.
If you need assistance, Dial 0 from your room phone.
Is there anything interesting nearby?
Yes, there is a park just across the street.
I like parks.
There is also a shopping mall about 10 minutes away.
That's good to know.
How can I get a taxi?
We can call a taxi for you anytime.
That's helpful. You can also use ride-sharing apps.
How do I connect to the Wi-Fi?
The Wi-Fi name and password are written on this card.
Perfect.
If the Wi-Fi is slow, please inform us.
Do you have room service?
Yes, we do.
What are the hours?
Room service is available from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m.
Great.
Is late checkout possible?
Yes, depending on availability.
What time is late checkout?
Until 2 p.m.
Your payment will be processed at checkout.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept all major cards. Your safety is very important to us.
That's good to hear.
We have security staff and cameras.
Did you have a good journey?
Yes, it was long but comfortable.
I'm glad to hear that.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, I think that's everything.
We hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you for your help.
It was my pleasure.